Did you know that your favorite cheap online finds could soon cost a lot more? Recently, Trump has decided to suspend a trade loophole that many online retailers have been using. This change means that importing low-cost goods from overseas is about to get pricier, and that has some major implications for e-commerce giants everywhere. So, what's the big deal? This loophole allowed small packages to come into the US without incurring hefty tariffs, making it super easy for sellers around the world to ship directly to you at incredibly low prices. Think about the last time you snagged a great deal online. Those prices might not last. Now, why should you care? Higher costs for retailers usually mean higher prices for consumers. If companies face more expenses, they could start passing those costs on to you when you check out, which means fewer bargains and potentially less variety in what's available. Here's what you should keep an eye on. Watch for changes in prices in your favorite online shops. Explore local options and don't hesitate to find new ways to save. The world of e-commerce is shifting, and staying informed will help you navigate this changing landscape. Keep this in mind as we dive into the new world of online shopping. This is today's tech update for August 1st, 2025.